I got myself some shoes. What is going on with those men? The first class is geostrategy, and then this afternoon we have big data. Full day of interesting classes. Currently I'm reading this book called Le Diable est un menteur by Femi Kayode. I'm sorry. Là, on est bien.
Bah, je voulais avoir une bonne note. Au final, les meufs, elles avaient mieux que moi en faisant ça. Alors que moi, c'est ma vie à faire des travaux stéréotypes dans la drogue. On m'accès. Et en fait, on montrait comment l'économie, elle était injectée dans la drogue.
Ouais. Et j'attends Julie. Et Julie, elle s'est cassée la jambe. C'est tellement drôle. Et tu me fais grave de la peine. C'est trop mignon avec le petit smiley là.
En fait, j'ai envie, il fait bon là.
Et pousser.
C'était pas du tout dans la vidéo. Je pensais que t'allais tourner en fait. Je m'étais dit, elle va tourner, du coup, je vais faire. Pour une fois, je vais poser. Elle me dit, vas-y. Sur toutes tes autres vidéos, je suis tard par l'aide. T'es toute mignonne.
Nous envoyer des messages à 6h30 et d'arriver à 13h30. Genre.
Je suis partie faire du vélo ce matin. Non, t'inquiète, laisse-le là.
Non, mais ça me sert à rien.
Regardez là.
Merci. Genre, littéralement, j'avais un frein à la...
I am searching for an outfit for my pattern since I'm getting baptized really soon. I really need to find an outfit, so I told myself that since I'm getting baptized, I need to get something that I liked. So I'm gonna get something from La Lune du Ciel. That's a Chinese brand, if I don't mistake it, that I really loved and I really want to try. So I'm gonna get it. Guys, I just realized that I even didn't show you exactly what I got. It's Sephora. So lately I've been obsessed with like doing my makeup and learning about how to do proper makeup. I know how to do basic makeup to be better at it, to improve myself. So I got myself some few things. Let me give you a little tip. So I get a little hole. What the fuck? So I got some few brushes. I didn't get it at Sephora, but I need a new one because I had the little one and I wanted the bigger one since I love it. The Tears cushion foundation. So I got 2 tints. So this one is the 45N Saddle Brown, and I have another one, lip liner from Sephora. This is the number 33, Frosted Chestnut. And I also got a new bronzer from Rare Beauty in the shade Radiate Warm makeup setting spray with the vitamin C. That's my little haul. And the book that I'm reading right now, I almost finished it. It's this one called Moi no Jude 10 ans divorcée. This is the story of a little girl that gets married when she was 10, and she asked for a divorce from her husband. She had this is a true story, by the way. You learn about how the systems in Yemen work. You can read it in one day. Guys, I was going to let you go, but I have to tell you something about this book. I think you really need to read it because what the fuck is going on with those men? I can understand some traditions, some respect of the tradition of the culture and everything. I can respect it. But what the hell are you marrying a 10 years old little girl I'm so mad. I'm really so mad. The book is from 2008. That's still going on. Like, little girls are still getting married. They are still getting treated like they are not human. Like, they are only object that you can sexualize. I don't know what the fuck is going on with those men. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this world. Because no one will do it for you. Even though you ask for help, if you ask your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, everything, your family, your friends, the only person that can save you is yourself. So I got this tea when I was in Korea. It's called nudake. It's the dark caramel one, and I only opened it today, but guys, and that smells so good. It's so beautiful.
Alors, ça te plaît? Regarde-moi ça. Là, tu peux mettre le...
Là, je peux me mettre la bouche aussi là.
Ça vous plaît?
Salut à tous, c'est Bran. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo, c'est un vlog.
Je suis accompagnée de mon ami Bran. Je vais ramener ça en concert.
Tu vas à un concert ce soir?
Ah, sur un modèle.
Ouais, je suis
Le
en
temps que ça
fausse en
démarre,
plus.
putain, ça.
En vrai de vrai, je suis en fausse, je mets ça et tout.
Tu peux, hein?
J'avais pas cher.
What's in my bag?
Audrine, j'aime trop.
Fais comme le mec là.